Let's talk ad types. There are many types of ads that include similar terms like shown here. These are the current top performing ad types that we see. We created and developed about 500 new monthly creatives for clients and our in-house brands. We then get reports on how these ads are performing. So we have a pretty good sample size to get this information from. And it's pretty safe to say that these are the current top performing ad types. So they are storytelling and narrative ads, before and after, green screen, and screen recording, which is a trend that came from TikTok. A product demo or how to use video, a comparison like us versus them or what I bought versus what I got, a social proof mashup, which is just a compilation of different customer testimonials. And if these are edited well and keeping them super short and punchy, they will perform super well either on Facebook or even on TikTok. So we have a reaction video that starts with an emotional reaction, like you're being surprised or receive a gift from someone, or someone reacting to a specific video, which also a trend that came from TikTok. And we have a customer review or a use case study reviewing the product, an unboxing, or a classic answering a question, which shows the TikTok question box, or it also can be from the Instagram one. And then we have text to voice, which is also a TikTok robot voice that makes and feel a lot more native to TikTok. So it's really easy to say, like you can do the voiceover using any script anytime as well. There are several types of ad that can be effective. One is to start with a clear visual problem demonstration that present the product as a solution to a problem. Then, if you use TikTok, it's good to check the For You page for any trends that you can hop on. These are just a few examples of effective ad types. Many of the direct and indirect competitors have already done the hard work of scripting, shooting, and editing the ad. They have also likely tested those videos and kept the ones that running for a long time. This is why every video we create starts with researching the competition. For instance, if I am selling a dry sheet, the first thing I need to do is to identify my competitors. It is advisable to take some time to research the industry and identify the major players, as they typically have the largest budget to spend and can push out more creatives to test than the average brand. Now, after looking up online, I found that my biggest competitor would be EarthBreeze. Your task here is to find and download at least 15 video ads and 5 static banners that fit any of the criteria below. Number 1, show who they are trying to appeal to. Number 2, highlight problems and also pain points. Number 3, communicate and show the value proposition. Number 4, present the product as the solution. Number 5, show logical reasoning or emotional appeal to make their argument. Number 6, capture your attention in the first few seconds. Now, let's head to the Meta Ad Library to find some ad creative inspos. You need to access the Facebook ad library using the link here. Now what we're going to try to do is to find ads that has similar to our product and some angles, marketing angles that we want to try to tap into. So what we could do is try to find something that has been running for quite a while, meaning that angle works really well. So what we want to look for is something that contains different type of clips, for example, mashup clips or USP clips, or even like identifying a good hook that we could use in our own video. Now that we have a couple of videos, we could download the video and save it into a folder, and we will identify the few inspos, and you can take a look at those videos and ask yourself, like, how do they present their brand, whether it's luxury, common, elegant, gender specific, and like, how do they handle customer doubts? Do they ever use customer reviews, brand association? How do they visualize this? Now, you need to identify what makes their ad good and what can you do better than them. So how do they want to make their customers feel with their ads? Most ads are either fear-driven or opportunity-driven. Which one are they relying on more? In conclusion, there are many types of ads that can be effective, and it is also important to research and analyze competitors' ads to see what works and what doesn't. The Meta Ad Library is a useful resource for finding ad creative inspiration, and it is important to consider how competitors present their brand, handle their customers' doubt, and make customers feel with their ads. By using these insights, you can create effective ads that stand out in a crowded market.